world.
My country people rainway for inside Buea today not stop the Muslim community for celebrate their feast where it be the feast of Ramadan. This feast where Muslims them the ever celebrate during holiday calendar now for keeps the faith.
Abraham, you don't walk fine. If you let me walk fine, even if you accept. If you don't teach you about the importance of God, to believe in God, and to not say all things come from God. So if God talk, you must follow. So if you don't build the beginning faith, where anything where you talk, where you not say be in order, you must respect it, Papa. So he tell you, Papa, say if you see say the thing where God talk, now if you do as God don't tell you, you will find me so at the thing where they submit to the will of God. And so that time they won't carry out the act. That ram way here with the celebrate that they sacrifice and so the commemoration.
Imam for Buea Muhammad Abubakar, he call all Muslim them say as a Muslim fine for celebrate with rams where he get complain.
May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us that when we sacrifice, there should be rams that have been obtained through halal means and not the meat which has been taken through fraud. Or it should not be that which perhaps you have gone to take to borrow money when you do not know how you get the money back to pay off the ram. No, there is no compulsion in religion. If you do not have this year, do not bother yourself, my brother and sister. Next year, Allah will provide for you.
So now that ram way Abraham will fulfill God's promise, he sent and down for you through Archangel Gabriel. He tell you, say, turn to right hand, he turn, the ram that way side, to take and slaughter them. You, I don't make you the imam for all believing.
His Lordship Michael Bibi and some other big authority them like the Secretary General for Governor in office, them be join the Muslim community for celebrate their day.
Thank you very much. Today I get plenty glad in my heart for the first time I don't join the Imam for Buea with the faithful them for the Muslim church for celebrate this big day where Imam gives a sermon in the form of endurance. So the next I happen inside life if you want to succeed for what you want to do. And you rush my rush to new things then we'll see I'm sure we're not going to do on time. This big day today. They commemorate this sacrifice of the ram, the Muslim faithful them, and we all got to begin and be part of it for be generous, to be charitable.
After prayer, it be finished for the Central Mosque for Buea. Imam Muhammad Abubakar, he be cut the rams them for sure wait away Qurans in the talk.
RBTV, changing the world.